AI in finance, a disruptive force that is reshaping the landscape of financial services and revolutionizing traditional practices. The integration of AI technologies is transforming various areas within the financial sector, from trading and investment to fraud detection and customer service. One notable application of AI in finance is automated trading and investment. AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identify patterns, and make data-driven investment decisions with incredible speed and precision. This enables financial institutions and investors to optimize their trading strategies, maximize returns, and minimize risks in highly dynamic markets. In the realm of security, AI plays a crucial role in fraud detection and risk assessment. Machine learning algorithms can detect anomalies and patterns in transaction data, enabling early identification of fraudulent activities. This enhances security measures and protects financial institutions and their customers from potential threats. Additionally, AI-driven risk assessment models enable financial institutions to evaluate and manage risks more accurately, contributing to more robust and resilient operations. AI also revolutionizes customer service in the financial industry. Virtual assistants and chatbots equipped with natural language processing capabilities can provide personalized and efficient support to customers. These AI-powered agents can answer inquiries, provide account information, and even offer financial advice tailored to individual needs. This enhances customer experience, improves responsiveness, and enables round-the-clock assistance. Credit scoring and loan underwriting processes are also being enhanced by AI technologies. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, financial institutions can automate credit assessment, analyze creditworthiness, and make more informed decisions regarding loan approvals. This streamlines the lending process, reduces manual efforts, and improves efficiency, benefiting both financial institutions and borrowers. As we delve deeper into the world of AI in finance, our upcoming videos will explore advanced applications such as algorithmic trading strategies, AI-driven risk management, and the ethical implications of AI adoption in the financial sector. Join us as we uncover the potential of AI in finance and its impact on the future of financial services. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights and valuable AI applications. Don't miss out on these cutting-edge AI insights that have the power to transform the world of finance. Thank you for watching and supporting our journey.